rolled up with just 2 ingredients and ready in a few minutes. Here I'm going to use sandwich bread, and I'm going to start by removing all the crusts. Then, with the help of a rolling pin, we just knead really well until this bread is really smooth. Then just take the sausage, put it in the middle, and let's start rolling. To make this bread really firm on top, just apply a little water and then squeeze it. Now, in a container, we're going to crack 2 eggs. With the help of a fork, we will beat all this really well. Now take our roll it in the eggs. And now, let's finish by passing it in the flour. Once this is done, we will take it to fry in hot oil. You don't have to brown it. Just take it out, put it on a paper towel to drain. And look guys, how amazing this savory is. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That big hug. See you next time, and it was worth it.